All right, guys, it is time to test the restricted open cars. So these are heavy hitter cars. This is the fastest car that we sell on the website. This is the fastest HO slot car that is available for purchase, basically production. Has a 1.45 ohm, 1.45 to 1.49 ohm, 35 gauge arm, totally hopped up arm. It's been epoxied, trued, balanced, all of the good stuff. Has silver electrical system, independent front end, level 10 high torque motor mags, level 25 traction mags, metal pinion, and we run the RPMs gear on this one because it's a lot tougher gear. And then all the other goodies. So super cool cars. Hopefully you guys enjoy coming along to watch it. I am going to definitely take it easy on these because they are rockets and I don't want to mess anything up. But we got, let's see, I think 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 of them here. And we'll give them a rip. So they're really smooth. And if you breathe on the throttle and the thing's gone. So really, really smooth. And they're set up in a comfort level where they are probably high for, turn my brake down. But we do have guys that are running this stuff on plastic track still, so or snap together track. So they're they're an adrenaline rush. Timing is in the middle, so there is more power available if you wanted it. We're running this one. I'll come over and check the camera, see if there's any questions. Man, and when they run like this and they're crisp, you just can't beat it. You can hate on it all you want, but until you try it, you really shouldn't hate on it, because if you like adrenaline rushes that are legal, this is definitely it. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this one. I'm here early. I came in early today and got some meetings later, so I needed to get these cars done. And figured I'd go live with you guys early. And nobody else is here right now, so I don't have to worry about anybody. Had to push one to go faster because these are around 2-second cars on this track. For comparison, that's almost a second faster than a V-Spec on this little track, which, and you're on it. I don't know if the camera is even picking up how fast my finger's moving, but oh, big crash. Definitely gonna make sure we run another lap after we crash it. This thing's about 10 feet away from the table, but I'm sure it's all good. We have foam on both ends of the track and all along the inside here. So we have 3/8 neoprene foam, which does a really good job of keeping everything happy on these things. See, got some guys on here. Cody, yeah, they definitely rip. Hopefully you guys can hear how crisp they are. So these are arms that we do in-house. So John does all of the grinding and balancing, truing, all that stuff. Yeah, this car is good to go. So I actually put I put these in stock last night, and I think we're down to 3 of them right now. So we got 3 left right now. If you guys are interested, I mean, this is definitely going to be probably the fastest car in your box. Put any Lexan body you want on it, or you could also, if you wanted to, you could remove the post, put a clip on it, F1 body on it, Tyco body on it, Lifelike body on it, Auto World body on it, AFX body on it. Lots of body options for the V1 platform. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Hopefully I'm not too close to the camera. But it's Friday. Hopefully you guys have a good weekend. We appreciate you guys and your support. And it makes a hobby fun, makes our jobs fun. So thank you guys. We'll see ya.